What's up guys, we are back with a new Blender video, and in this video we are gonna create an animation with the rain character. This character is easily available on the Google and it can easily be searched on the Blender website. One more character is free of cost on that site. So let's start our video. First of all, on the top on the bottommost corner of we are gonna open the timeline section. We're gonna move it a little bit upwards. In this video, actually, we are gonna create some movement with our rain character. So we are gonna need the timeline section to see the movement of the character. We can also open on the top left corner a new window. In this window, we can open the graph editor. The graph editor is used when we need to see the minute changes in the movement or when we need to add the noise. In using the graph editor, we can change the movement, or we can see the movement to change from a fast to a slow movement easily. But in our case, we don't need that much of a graph editor, so I'm gonna close this tab and we are gonna mostly work on the timeline section. So let's start our video. Let's move the character rightwards. Select We'll select the bottommost leg. Press G to move. Select the auto keyframe button to automatically add the keyframes. One keyframe has been added. We will move to the 10th second, or it is the ninth one. We'll again move back our hands. A new keyframe has been added in the 10th second. Now we will move it to the 20th second. We will move our left leg, sorry, the right one. Now we'll move to the 30th second. Let's see till now how our keyframes have been added. Yeah, it is working properly. We will add some more keyframes. Go to the 40th second and change the shape. We can change the shape of a body in any manner, just it should be perfect and the keyframes should work. We can also rotate the palm by clicking R. Here it is, the keyframe has been added. We'll go further to the 50th second. We'll move our legs. Now we'll go to the 60th second. Move our waist down a little bit. Move the hands rightwards. I'm just creating a funny action. Let's go to the 70th second. We'll move our upper body back again, upwards. and our legs back again straight. Here we are. Now let's move back again to the first frame and see how our animation has been made. Yeah, here it is and it looks great. Let's play it again. Here is our rain character moving perfectly. This can also be adjusted from the grapher section which I told earlier. Any changes here can be adjusted for minute changes. For example, if we select this frame and press G to move, this will be a sharp movement. We have various frames to adjust and we can use them. This is for sharp movement, perfectly straight. We can adjust in various directions. Let's play the video. Here it is, and we can see the right leg movement had changed because we had changed the grapher section. So this is not of much use in this video, but I have explained it. Thanks for watching the animation.